Hello students, I, Mrs. Ashwini Talavlikar, Faculty of Food and Beverage Service from Dr. D.Y. Patil, Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, will be covering the chapter Principles of Restaurant Planning of the course CEB 701 Specialization Food and Beverage Service and Management 2 of the final year BHMCT program. The contents covered in this presentation are types of restaurant, location or site, that is the feasibility study for food and beverage service outlet, source of finance, design consideration, furniture, fixtures and counters, lighting and decor, heavy and light equipment required, format and records required, approvals and licenses required. We begin with the types of food and beverage outlet. The types of food and beverage outlets varies according to the type of service provided, type of food served and the standard operating procedure, that is SOP. We shall be discussing the various food and beverage outlets in the slides to come. Under types of outlets, we begin with bistro and brasserie. When used in English, the term bistro usually indicates either a fast casual dining restaurant with a European influenced menu or a cafe with a larger menu of food. In France, a brasserie is a slightly more formal restaurant that may brew its own beer with a relaxed seating with a professionalized service. Fine dining or quality service restaurant. Just as the name implies, fine dining is used to describe a much more upscale restaurant, one that offers diners an elegant atmosphere with high quality service. The chefs in fine dining restaurant are usually professionally trained and the food is fairly expensive but worth it. Casual restaurants. A casual dining restaurant is a restaurant that serves moderately priced food in a casual atmosphere. Except for buffet style restaurants, casual dining restaurants typically provide table service. Casual dining comprises a market segment between fast food establishment and fine dining restaurants. Destination restaurants. Destination or location of restaurant is key point of sale. A destination restaurant is one that has a strong enough appeal to draw customers from beyond its community. Carvery restaurant usually offers three-course menu at set price. The main course is placed on a U-shaped table which includes hot meats, vegetables and potatoes and sauces. It is a specialty food service. Fast food restaurants. Fast food restaurants emphasize speed of service and low cost. The customer is expected to eat the food directly from the disposable container. In the United States, fast food restaurants have become so widespread that the traditional standard type is now sometimes referred to as sit-down restaurant. Fast food restaurants are also known as QSR, that is quick service restaurant. Coffee house and coffee shop. Coffee houses are casual restaurants without table service that emphasize coffee and other beverages. Typically, a limited selection of cold foods such as pastries and perhaps sandwiches are offered as well. Coffee shop are restaurants usually attached to hotel provide all meals for day starting from breakfast till supper. These are open for 18 hours to 24 hours a day with a casual atmosphere and fast service. Pub. Mainly in the UK and other countries influenced by British culture, a pub, short for public house, is a bar that serves simple food fare. Traditionally, pubs were mainly drinking establishments with food in a decidedly secondary position, whereas the modern pub business relies on food as well. A typical pub has large selection of beers and ales on tap. Theme restaurant. A type of restaurant theming to attract diners by creating a memorable experience. Built around an idea emphasizing fun and fantasy, glamorize sports, travel eras in time. For example, Chokidani, Manchester United, etc. Staff dining or staff cafeteria. Cafeteria is commonly called as canteen. Food service location in which there is little or no waiting staff table service, whether a restaurant or within an institution such as a large office building or school. A school dining location is also referred to as dining hall or canteen. Ethnic restaurant. These are restaurants specialized in ethnic or national cuisine, example Italian restaurants like Little Italy, etc. Important components of ethnicity is the manner in which ethnic groups prepare and serve their food. Location. There are crucial elements to consider when looking at a potential restaurant location. It includes the style of operation, the population base, the parking space, accessibility, visibility, competition, zoning, utilities, sustainability, land and building lease, and the image and history of the site. A restaurant's location is crucial to its success. It influences many parts of restaurant including the menu. we shall now understand the financial sources required for starting and operating F&B outlets. It includes personal funds or personal savings, borrowing from friends or relatives, partnerships, getting loan from bank. It has an advantage as it helps in tax exemption. To start a business, you surely need capital, and if you do not have that, your proposal needs to be very attractive to impress the investors. To arrange finance without borrowing is a very difficult task. What are the main costs that we are looking at? It includes lease cost, construction or renovation cost, cost for purchasing furniture, equipment and utilities, air conditioner cost, common maintenance cost, parking charges, insurance payment against fire, flood, natural disaster, damage to property, payment for taxes and licenses, electricity and water bill charges.